Are you struggling to keep your toilet clean? In this video, we'll share our top tips and tricks to get your toilet bowl, seat, and surrounding areas quickly, easily, safely, affordably, and effectively clean using non-toxic cleaning products. Keeping the toilet clean is essential for maintaining a clean home. However, in some cases, the regular cleaning products we use to maintain our toilets can do more harm than good. Most toilet cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that are harmful to our health. Now, we should ask ourselves, is using a non-toxic toilet cleaner a better and healthier way to clean? Yes, making a non-toxic cleaner is a great way to avoid exposure to toxic chemicals. Non-toxic cleaners are not only efficient and effective cleaners, but they are also safe, environmentally friendly, and affordable. But how can you make a non-toxic cleaner? Now, we will discuss non-toxic toilet cleaners, how you can make them, and some tips for using them. First question: does a non-toxic toilet cleaner work? A quick answer is yes. Non-toxic cleaners can clean your toilet like chemical cleaners. You can use them to remove dirt and stubborn stains. Non-toxic cleaners like vinegar also contain some disinfectant properties. Hence, you can use it to disinfect the toilet bowl and the whole bathroom. Some common non-toxic cleaners are vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar has acidic properties, perfect for removing dirt and killing viruses. Baking soda can also remove stains because it is a mild abrasive. Non-toxic cleaners can be used daily or whenever necessary without harming you, your family, or your pets. When using on toilet bowls, make sure to clean under the rim as this is where the bacteria and germs like to hide. Benefits of non-toxic toilet cleaners. The benefits of non-toxic toilet cleaners. They avoid harsh or toxic chemicals around your home, including spills. They are safe for pets, children, and pregnant women. They are safe for those who have sensitive skin or allergies. They help save the environment. Next question: can you use chemical-based and non-toxic cleaners to clean toilets? It's a no-no to combine chemical-based and non-toxic cleaners to clean toilets. For instance, you can never mix bleach with vinegar. The mixture of the two creates chlorine gas, which is harmful to your health. Even if you only use small quantities of bleach and vinegar together, the result can be dangerous. Also, avoid combining bleach and rubbing alcohol because it can form chloroform, a harmful carcinogen. Tip number 1: does a non-toxic toilet cleaner work on pee stains? Toilets that are not cleaned regularly are prone to pee stains. While you can use store-bought products to clean away that yellowish mess, you can also use household ingredients to remove it. Follow these steps to remove pee stains. Things you'll need: vinegar, baking soda, water, plastic wrap, towel. Instructions. 1. Use vinegar to wet the pee stain. 2. Sprinkle some baking soda on top of the pee stain. You should hear the bubbling sound as baking soda and vinegar solutions are mixed. 3. Cover the stains with plastic wrap or a clean towel and wait for them to dry completely. 4. Once it has dried up, remove the plastic wrap or towel. 5. Rinse and wipe away the excess baking soda and vinegar mixture with water. Let it dry. Tip number 2: does a non-toxic toilet cleaner work on hard water stains? If your toilet contains hard water stains, you're not alone. 85% of the U.S. population has hard water. Don't worry, though. You can remove hard water stains with non-toxic cleaners. Here's a guide on how you can make a homemade hard water stain remover with natural ingredients. The things you'll need: baking soda, water, bowl, old clean toothbrush. Instructions. 1. Mix water and baking soda in a bowl to create a paste. 2. Apply the paste to the affected area and let it sit for about 15 minutes. 3. Use a clean brush to scrub the affected area. What are natural cleaners for toilets? There are many natural ingredients you can use to clean your toilet. Some popular ones are below. Tip number 3: white vinegar. As mentioned previously, vinegar has acidic properties. This makes it an effective cleaning product for removing dirt, disinfecting, and eliminating foul odors. Tip number 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice consists of citric acid. Citric acid can help remove mineral deposits. It can also remove hard water stains on your toilet bowl or bathroom surfaces. Tip number 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used as a toilet bowl cleaner. It can deodorize and scour your toilet bowl naturally. While it doesn't have germ-fighting benefits like vinegar, it's worth noting that it can remove dirt, stains, and ugly rings on toilet bowls. Tip number 6. How do you make a non-toxic toilet cleaner? You can always buy eco-friendly cleaning products at stores or online to clean your toilet. Or, as mentioned, you can also use natural household products like vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and water to clean them. Here is a step-by-step guide to making non-toxic toilet cleaner with household ingredients available at home. Things you'll need: vinegar, baking soda, warm water, bucket, sponge. Instructions. 1. Mix warm water and vinegar in a bucket. 2. Sprinkle baking soda all over the toilet bowl. 3. Dip a sponge into the vinegar and water mixture and scrub the baking soda into the toilet surfaces. For stains, apply some pressure when scrubbing the toilet with a sponge. 4. Let the mixture sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Rinse the toilet with warm water and flush it. Tips for using a non-toxic toilet cleaner to clean the toilet. Now that you've created your homemade natural and non-chemical based cleaner for your toilet, it's time to know how to use it effectively. Use these tips to maximize your product's cleaning power. Tip number 7. Disinfect the cleaning supply. So, you finally made a non-toxic toilet cleaner, but how about the cleaning supplies you use to clean the toilet? Make sure that the brush or sponge is clean. To stop the spread of bacteria, disinfect your cleaning tools. You can use hydrogen peroxide to ensure your cleaning supplies are clean and germ-free. Tip number 8. Clean the tank. The toilet tank is a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. The nastiness will spread throughout the toilet bowl if you forget to clean it. You can use vinegar or your homemade cleaner to disinfect the toilet tank. Let the cleaner sit for a few minutes, then wipe the tank. Tip number 9. Use a pumice stone. If the homemade cleaner is ineffective enough to remove stubborn hard water stains, use a pumice stone to eliminate that mess. Conclusion: making a non-toxic toilet cleaner is a safer, more affordable, and environmentally friendlier way to clean your toilet and remove stains than using harsh chemical-based cleaners. Use our step-by-step instructions above to make the right non-toxic toilet cleaner for your toilet. Also, don't forget to use our tips above to make cleaning the toilet safer and more effective. For your safety, also remember that mixing non-toxic cleaners and toxic cleaners is dangerous. And disinfect your cleaning supplies before and after using them on your toilet. If you want to learn more about cleaning your toilet with baking soda, watch the video above. And I want to leave you with this question: which of these non-toxic toilet cleaning tips and solutions have you used to clean your toilet? And which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.